ZICO, Jennie. These incredible icons collaborating in one song called Spot. This is where we're at right now. We are there. First of all, it's been a minute, ZICO. It's been a minute, Jennie. And now y'all got a collaboration? I'm not gonna talk anymore. Let's get into this, y'all. Well, before that, let me promote my Patreon. I do have a Patreon, link in the description. Go join that. But without further ado, ZICO, Spot, featuring Jennie. Sounds a little bit low, the audio. Is it gonna pick up? It is.
Everything okay, my man? Turn the music up.
Ooh.
When I'm going home tonight. Right.
Oh shit! Ah! Get it! Bro, can I pop? Damn, Jennie. Damn. Hey yo, Jennie, can I get that Gentle Monster Jennie collab? I got like a pair of Gentle Monsters from a long time ago, but you know, getting that, you know, okay, let's just, first of all, can we talk about the beginning already? I know I'm stopping right here, but off the bat, this is what sold me in the teaser. No, we're not. No, we're not. Where are they? In Miami? What is this? Hey. Why does it sound like a Pharrell song almost, that drop? Where you at? Damn, let me take this off. I need to see a full color vision, not with these pink shades on right now. Ooh. 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 Like the next spot? We're going to the next spot? Showing signs of E, like you talking about like extroverted, right? Hold up. Shy eye smirks and shows signs of E. Okay. Why is that so hot? I don't know why. Her just like walking towards like ZICO while singing. Oh, that's hot to me. I don't know. Up. Hey. Get it. Here, hey. Like, hit the top. Make it loud now. Ooh, let's go. Ooh. Okay, Jennie. Woo. This is a mother effing vibe, bro. Hey. Bro, this is a collab that I didn't know I needed, but of course, this is what I wanted. This is what I needed. I didn't know what to expect. Wait, hold up. Them vibing? Jennie vibing? We needed this collab. We need this. We didn't know we needed this, but we needed this. That's iconic. Look at her. Look at ZICO. Hey. Let's go. Hit the spot. Oh, top. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Yeah. Let's go. ZICO. Let's go. ZICO. Let's go. Okay, dancers. Get it. I swear, ZICO. Oh, okay. Dap up. ZICO just kind of like disappears. He doesn't follow like, you know, where you have to put out everything all the time, but he disappears and comes back with some heaters, bro. He really do. Shout out ZICO. Just it's just like the beginning, like the before like the drop hits with JENNIE
Turn the music
and the piano. Bum, 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 bum.
When I'm going home
This part right here,
tonight,
it's such a killer.
right.
3, 2, 1, get it.
Up and down, round and round, hit the spot, 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 spot.
Hey.
앞치락, 뒤치락, 정신을 외쳐려 해.
Hey girl, where you at?
Bro, got me body rolling, bro. Can I just say I miss ZICO's voice? I miss ZICO's voice.
When I'm going
Home,
home tonight,
alright.
네게 회개 없던 party. Up and down, round and round, hit the spot, 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 spot. 앞치락, 뒤치락, 정신을 외쳐려 해.
And like the dynamic of them two are just it's really cute actually.
어깨 툭툭히
JENNIE's part too.
told you that 도망치면 배신. Yeah, I know, I know. 일단 더우니까 바람 쐬러 나가.
I'm glad that she had more of a verse in this track than just like the chorus, even though the chorus is such a hook and literally one of my favorite parts of it. Like it's just a killer, just the way it goes with the beat. I'm glad that she has more to say too, and that she appears more in the video too. Because you know, when I think of a feature or a collab, I would like to see more of like not to outshine ZICO, but enough to like they both fill my satisfaction. Does that make sense? Pause? I don't know, but you know what I mean. Like it was a right balance of like both of them. Not the wait. Why did it look awkward? A little.
When I'm going
Home tonight. All right.
네게 회개 없던 party. Up and down, round and round, hit the spot.
Hey, 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 hey.
앞치락, 뒤치락, 정신을 외쳐려 해.
The little awkward laugh too. It's so dope. Hey, 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 hey. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Woo! I don't know why I did that. I feel like I'm a part of this. This is fire. Ooh. And it's just vibing out, letting the instrumental breathe, have a dance break. I love a good dance break. Hey, hey, like literally a party at the rooftop, like a little party. Nothing crazy. Like 20 of your like closest homies if you have 20 homies. And at the end, it's JENNIE that's just walking by and he looks back, right? KOZ. Hey, shout out. That was fire, yo. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of ZICO and JENNIE's spot. I think it's a very hyped up vibe. It's definitely, I feel like ZICO always comes at the right time with his comebacks. And it just stands out. And they have like either the right collabs or just the right type of flavor. Yeah, I'm very curious of what you think of this collaboration. Did it meet your expectations? Did you want more? Yeah, put the comments down below. Again, your boy got a Patreon. Literally, I post there things that like, you know, reacting to like a longer form content, or like when a video gets blocked. Cause I don't get why y'all like videos get blocked. I'm giving you free, like it's literally free promo, and you're taking all the monetization. It's copyrighted. But if it gets blocked, I usually post it on Patreon. So go be sure to follow my Patreon. ZICO, JENNIE, y'all killed this one. Can't deny. That was fire. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. This is your boy JRE from JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.